Vivo V9 smartphone is a game changer, not only for the company but also for the industry. It sets the right example for smartphone makers by going a notch above the rest. No, I am not mentioning just the notch display, but things like providing the latest version of Android, use of artificial intelligence in a lot more than just the camera. Yes, it does resemble the iPhone X in every way, but isn't it a great thing to match the golden benchmark of smartphones? The V9 has a 6.3-inch display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It is definitely an impressive screen with sleek bezels, top and sides, and a small chin. Vivo also offers optimizations for third-party apps to use the notch too. You can select which apps run full screen in 16:9 or 18:9 aspect ratio. Apart from the gorgeous display, the first thing you notice about the V9 is that it's surprisingly lightweight, just about 150 grams, making it very comfortable to hold. The phone comes with the tried and tested Snapdragon 626 with 4GB of RAM that keeps everything running smoothly. Most of the times we had 25 apps running in the background and could also handle graphic intensive games. The 3260 mAh battery lasts a day, but each night when we put it on charge we were reminded about the lack of USB Type-C and quick charging. The Vivo V9 features a 24-megapixel front camera with AI beautification and AR stickers. The camera takes fantastic photos with crisp details and good colors. For beautification, you can choose the beauty level or let the AI do its job. We think the AI beautification did a pretty good job. The portrait mode also does a good job with edge detection as long as there is enough light. You also get a group selfie mode with professional mode for the front camera. We will also use the front camera for face unlock and tricks like lowering the ringer when you look at the phone. The primary camera setup on the Vivo V9 is a 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual camera with an AI-powered bokeh mode. This gives the V9 an advantage over the competition in delivering a superior bokeh effect. The photos taken from V9 capture good details, natural color, and the edge detection is great. Vivo also offers option of adjusting focus in an image after it's taken, which helps a lot when you're doing post-editing of photographs. Another advantage of V9's rear camera is that it is capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Vivo V9 is also one of the first devices from Vivo to come with FunTouch OS 4.0 based on the latest Android 8.1. There are a number of handy features in the user interface such as game mode that disables notification and rejects or silences incoming calls while you're gaming. It also has iPhone X style gestures for control and navigation, motorbike mode, apart from the usual add-ons of the FunTouch OS. With the V9, Vivo has managed to ship the first Android phone with a notch in India. It has a tried and tested hardware and the software offers a lot of customizations. The display helps it stand out from the rest, and those wanting to show off a phone which has notch now have an option at a price that's certainly a lot more affordable than the iPhone X. Cherry on the cake is facial recognition and gesture-based UI. At 22,990, the Vivo V9 is a great buy and we give it a thumbs up. So friends, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.